everybody. So today, I'm gonna turn this down. I am on my way to go get my maintenance, which is my Dysport for my forehead and then around my nose where I scrunch. And then I get a little bit on my outer corners of my eyes where I get the crow's feet. So I wanted to take you guys with me so you guys can see how that process goes. Okay, we are now just leaving. We have to run to North Park, but I just want to show you guys what my face looks like right after treatment. So I usually get these little, they call them pinwheels. I usually get these right after, so you guys can see. They go away within probably like an hour or two. So I'm gonna show you guys, and I will update you guys probably within the week so you guys can see where I'm at within the week. But usually for me it kicks in, like you can even see now it's not as much.
Merge onto President George Bush Turnpike East.
Like even if you guys see in the video, like as she's doing it, it like tightens up pretty quickly. So I will check back in within the week so you guys can see the results. Hello everybody, so I want to do the update. It is the 25th and I had gotten my maintenance done on the 19th. So I want to show you guys the progress and how does it look. So I'm gonna squint my face. As you can see, no lines whatsoever. Same with over here. Forehead, I'm lifting my eyebrows all the way up. Nothing. So yeah, I really like Dysport a little better because it lasts me way longer. I used to do Botox and I feel like Botox would only last me like 2 months. But then I started to do Dysport and I noticed it would literally last me like 6 months. So I highly recommend, if you are in Dallas and you end up going to any of the Skinspirits, make sure you mention my name. You'll get $100 off. And then also you should reach out to my girl Shelby to do it, or Haley. They're both at the Plano and West Village locations. So thank you guys so much. So don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And if you'd like to see more things like this, please let me know. And thank you guys so much again for watching my videos. I truly appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya.